everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Marie and next week I'm flying to Finland, so let me show you how to pack for winter season. Let's start with footwear. One good pair of winter boots for activities. To save up on space, fill your boots with socks, then place them in a bag to protect your other items. One pair of winter casual boots. One pair of regular shoes for the airport, and one pair of flip-flops or sandals for the sauna. Being from Canada doesn't mean I don't get cold, so I just ordered myself a pair of heating socks. They plug into a battery that you charge in the outlet, and I believe it lasts from 6 to 8 hours, and you've got 3 different temperatures, so I'm gonna link them below. For winter socks, I like the ones made out of merino wool as they keep the heat in and the moisture out. Keeping warm in winter is all about layers, so I'm bringing 2 pairs of thermal underwears to be worn under my regular pants. A pair of insulated snow pants. And lastly, a few pairs of leggings and casual pants. Moving on to the tops, just like for the pants, I'm bringing 2 thermal shirts, a few t-shirts, long sleeve shirts, and hoodies, a good winter jacket. For the accessories, a couple of scarves and they double up as blankets on the plane, a neck warmer for sports activities. My trip includes a snowmobile safari, so this balaclava will come in handy to wear under my helmet, a hat, or a few, a good pair of mitts, and some heated gloves. Remember to keep the batteries in your carry-on, a bathing suit and your regular underwear. On this trip I'll be going dog sledding, so a pair of ski goggles if you have them, a couple of hand warmers and toe warmers, and finally a small backpack for day activities. And a few last minute tips. Use a notebook to make a list of what you need to pack. Bring a few pens in your carry-on because you don't want to be that person asking around for a pen to fill your customs forms. Bring a bag for your dirty laundry, a reusable water bottle to fill up at the airport. I also like to keep some toiletries in my carry-on bag, such as a toothbrush, a face wipe, and face cream to refresh myself after or during the flight. I also keep a printed version of my itinerary, travel insurance, and vaccination proof. And finally, some headphones and an inflatable neck pillow. Please let me know in the comments down below if you found these tips useful and if I missed anything. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.